refresh it with a brand new one utilizing Rosetta's Old Mission. So that's how we're going to take care of it. Make sure, depending on your application, that you're thinking about the damage that moisture just below your pavers can do.
So we're gonna go over a little bit of the basics of a laser level.
Larry's running that 590 right now to finish up in those tight corners up by the front foundation. And as you can see, we're starting up at the front porch. We made that decision because we had a nice square edge that we could work off of. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.